What if every coffee cup on this slide revealed its recipe when you hover over it? Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create an interactive slide with Action tool in PowerPoint. So subscribe and let's go. First, insert your base image. In my case, a set of coffee cups. From Insert tab, Shapes, add a circle and place it on top of one cup. Now select the circle, remove the outline, change its color and change its transparency to see the cup below. To show the recipe detail in the right side, we need two slides, so let's duplicate the slide. Now in first slide, select the shape, then in Insert tab, choose Action, and in Mouse over tab, choose Hyperlink to. Then choose the slide that you want to link to. Then change the transparency of shape to 100% in first slide. Then select the second slide and in Transition tab, choose Morph and adjust the transition duration. Now you can see it in a slideshow. It's smoothly highlighted. Now I want to return back to the previous slide. So I need a huge rectangle to cover the slide, which is linked to the first slide. So in this step, I draw a rectangle to cover whole the slide. Then in Action, select Mouse over tab and choose the first slide. Then change the transparency of shape to 100%. Now in Selection pane, put this rectangle behind the highlight circle. And add Morph Transition to first slide. Now in a slideshow, you can see when you hover the circle, the cup of coffee is highlighted. And when you hover the rectangle which is covered the slide, you return back to the first slide. Here's the last step. I'll add the text box in both slides. In first slide, it's a headline, and in the next slide, it's a recipe. Now I'll design the slides and expand the hover action to other cups. And that's it. With just Action over and Morph Transition, you can turn a plain PowerPoint slide into an interactive experience. Thanks for watching. Try it with your own projects. I've got more creative ways to bring your slides to life. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Bye!